Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are going to look at two Carrier condensers, the Comfort Series 24 SCA 5s. I have a 5-ton on the left here, and over here is a 4-ton. We installed these just recently. I did another video on the furnaces that were in the attic, that were upflow furnaces, and went through those. So this is the follow-up video on that. I'm going to go through these, show you what they're all about. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions about anything here, and always check out my other videos. I got a lot of other videos out there right now on other systems, and hopefully that helps you out in making a decision on what might work best for you. So let's get right into this. So on the left here we have the 5-ton. This is the Comfort Series 24 SCA 5 60W003. It measures 31 by 39 inches tall. It sits on a 32 by 32 pad, and it gets a 14.3 SEER 2 rating. Decibels on this are 75 decibels for the sound rating. It is a single stage condenser, so that means it just has high stage. We also had an Edison box on this that we put back on for the customer. Over there you can see where the lines come out of the wall. We did a UV wrap on those, a new disconnect with a whip into the unit as well. On the 4-ton, this also measures 31, but it's a little shorter by 36 inches tall. The model number of this one is the Carrier Comfort Series 24 SCA 5 48W003. This also gets 14.3 SEER 2 on its efficiency. Sound rating on this is a little lower. It's going to be about a 74 decibels. Also single stage, so it's on high stage right now. Also did the new disconnect on the wall, the whip, as well as the UV line wrap, and reattached the Edison box to this. This is matched with those two furnaces in the attic that I did another video on. So all new system for upstairs, and then an all new system for downstairs. Also on the left side of these units, you can see we wanted to leave some space behind them off the wall, as the coil on these units, which is inside this, goes all the way around these units. So you want to leave ample space. Minimum is 6 inches by manufacturer specifications, but we left a little more today. We did about 10 inches on each, just so they breathe enough and they can get the best performance out of the system. So please let me know what you think of these units, if this is something right for you. This is the Carrier Comfort Series again. It's the starting point for their condensers. I think they're fantastic compared to the units that were here before that were about 30 years old. Those units were probably operating under 10 SEER, so just going to a 14.3 SEER 2 unit, probably going to get about 30 to 35% better efficiency, meaning better on your electric bill than the old ones. So as always, like this video, subscribe to my page, leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about these or anything else that you might want to know about. You can visit us at www.albertair.com, or if you're in the Orange County area, give me a call, 714-526-6368. I'd be happy to talk to you on the phone or even come out and give you an estimate. Thank you very much.